welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing, and honestly I wasn't going to record this video today. I was gonna do it tomorrow, but I have been having this thing for a few days now. I think it's been a week and I haven't been able to use it, although I really want to, but I haven't opened it at all just because I wanted to show you guys. And I am in my husband's gaming room. I'm just here because of the big window here. Anyways, let's get right into the video. I will be reviewing the DYSON SUPERSONIC diffuser slash hair dryer, and I am so excited to show you guys. I took the little plastic wrap from it because I was gonna open it as soon as I got it. I think you can get this at Ulta. I'm not really sure where else you can get it. My husband actually got it for me as an early Christmas gift, but I looked up online and it is around $400. It is a bit pricey, but I wanted this for so long. It's been like 2 years that I've been asking him for it. I've been using this Revlon diffuser for about a year, yeah. And it's honestly pretty good. I think I got it for $12 or $15 at Walmart. And it is pretty good for someone that is starting their curly hair journey, or if you really can't afford a $400 hair dryer, because honestly, I wasn't going to spend all that money on a hair dryer. So I just spent $15 on this one, and this one worked absolutely amazing. I heard that this DYSON one is fast drying, like it doesn't take forever to dry. I usually take about almost an hour to diffuse my hair with the Revlon one. I'm not gonna use it on this video. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing just to see what's inside and stuff like that. But if you're wanting me to do like a comparison from this DYSON one and the Revlon one, I'll definitely be doing that. But yeah, okay. So it's like this white cardboard first, and then there's the actual box. And now it has this, and it's like a shoebox almost. You kind of shake it and take it out like that. Shake it. Okay. Oh my gosh. So it comes like this. It's protecting everything. This is foam. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera towards the other side just so you can see everything that is in here. So first, there's a lot going on. I'm not really sure what is what yet. So it comes with this little booklet. I assume it's like a manual thing. Yeah, it's a guide. And then we'll open this later. And then there's this, oh my gosh, so beautiful. So it's the diffuser right here, the actual hair dryer, and I got it pink, kind of like a charcoal black or charcoal gray. And it feels really lightweight and delicate, but yeah, that's how it looks. So pretty. And what's this? What? I'm not sure what this is. I may have to check the manual. Maybe it's like to hang the dryer, the hair dryer. Oh, this is like another head. I'm assuming this is if you're wanting to straighten your hair, then you would blow dry your hair first and use this one. And this one kind of looks the same thing. It's just a little bit wider compared to this one. And then my favorite one. This looks so pretty. I absolutely love it. So this is how it looks like. It's really lightweight, and it's more clean looking rather than, I'm just gonna show you guys the other one. If you see the little nozzles on this one, it kind of sticks out, and then let me just put it over here. And then this one doesn't. It's more, they're shorter. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is. I may have to open the guide just so I can read what everything is. Oh, this is like a silicone mat. I'm not sure if this is something you would place the dryer on, the diffuser. So I'm just gonna have to open the guide later to see. And I think it's just the rest of the cord, which is really long and heavy. But I think that's it. I don't think it comes with the extra filter. Let me just open this so I can read it and see what all this is for. Ooh, this has a 2-year warranty, so that's pretty good because for the price, should have. So it says that you do have to call a phone number to activate your 2-year warranty, and I'm assuming you don't really have to keep this after you register. Okay, so reading through the guide, this one is called the smoothing nozzle. Wait, no. This is the smoothing nozzle, the wider one, and this is the styling nozzle, and then this one is the diffuser. So hair dryer, smoothing nozzle, styling nozzle, and diffuser. And then this is actually a non-slip mat. So I'd assume this is so you would put it here, that way it doesn't slip and fall. So this is the temperature control. This is the airflow control. And then I'm assuming this is the cold shot. And then you would press and hold to deactivate heat. And, you know, if you're wanting to not use a lot of heat for your curls or your hair in general, you can just press this cold shot. And then this one, obviously, it's like a switch up and down. It's kind of hard. This is the on and off button. So this is like a, let me see. Ooh, oh my God. So this right here is like a magnet. It's not something that you would have to like put here. I struggle with this all the time, especially if I have wet hands. I struggle to put this all the time. So you would have to like take out and then put back on. For this one, you just literally go like that and that's it. And then to take it off, you just take it out. So that is really cool. And I'm assuming it's the same thing for these two. Oh my goodness, I love this so. And then you can kind of twist it. So if you want to use it like this, you can, or if you want to use it like that, you can. See, I don't see where you would use this for. Like, what in the heck is this? I don't. I'm so confused on what this is. Like, there's nowhere I can kind of tie it. If you guys have a Dyson hairdryer and you have this and you know what it is, please let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, that is it for today's video. It's kind of short, it's kind of straight to the point. I really wanted to show you guys this hairdryer because I was so excited when I got it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this video. It really supports my channel when you guys subscribe and like. So if you could please do so, I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.